Now, welcome back to our post 1 tutorial. Now, in the previous video, we were solving equations involving what? Permutation and combination. Now, this particular one too, it contains combination and what? Permutation. This is the second question under equations, yes. And this one is one of the assignments, part of the assignment of given to a particular school, school. Now, I am solving this one in that order. Follow me. This year is 2025. This particular permutation combination came in the WASSCE, Nigeria, Gabon, and then Ghana. They all came in the WASSCE. Yes, so it's very important to master it. Now let's see how I'm going to solve. Make sure you go and solve the previous video before, because this one I'm going to move faster. Yes, I'm pretty sure that you will understand the concepts now, so we can now move faster when we are solving questions. Now, so let's move on. Now, so we have n combination 5 divided by n permutation 4. Now, this one is equals to 1 out of 8. Now, don't forget that we have a formula for permutation. Permutation is what? N permutation r is the same as n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. N combination r is n combination r factorial n minus r all factorial. Don't forget, we are going to use that one. Now, so when you consider this combination, the n is still n, the r is 5. So let's substitute. So we have n factorial divided by 5 factorial n minus 5 factorial. Now divided by this, we are using this formula. So we have n factorial divided by n minus 4 factorial. Now this one is equal to 1 out of 8. Now at this point, look at how I'm going to solve it. I'm going to change this one to multiplication. So I'm going to have n factorial divided by 5 factorial. Now times, then we return the second fraction upside down. We forget the second fraction. So we have n minus 4 factorial divided by n factorial is equals to 1 out of 8. Now at this particular point, you can see it clear that this n factorial can cancel this n factorial. So our next move is that we try to deal with this and this. So this was simple. Now let me move on here. Now n factorial will cancel. You get it? So I'm going to get 1 over, here will be 5 factorial multiplying n minus 5 factorial times this one, that is n minus 4 factorial divided by 1 equal to 1 out of 8. Now you see how simple it is? Yes. Now let me break this one down, because I can see that if I try to apply factorial, the first one will be n minus 4, the second one will be n minus 5. So therefore, the n minus 5 can cancel this n minus 5, then I'm done getting the answer. Yes. So I will have 1 over. Now don't forget, this one times this one will give it the same thing. So I'm going to have n minus 4, and then subtract this one by 1. We're going to get n minus 5 factorial. I'm going to end here, divided by the denominator. Denominator, I have 5 factorial here. Now you can point 5 factorial on the calculator. Don't forget that the 5 factorial is the same as 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Now this one will give us 20 times 3 will give us what? 60 times 2 will give us 120. So we have 120 n minus 5 factorial. Now this one is equal to 1 out of what? 1 out of 8. Now n minus 5 factorial cancel n minus 5 factorial. We're going to have n minus 4 all divided by 120 equal to 1 out of what? 8. You see how simple it is? Yes. It is as simple as that. Yes. Now can 8 go into 120? Let me see. 120 divided by 8, 15. Now at this particular point, I want to multiply through by 120. So I'm going to have n minus 4 is equals 1 over 8 times 120. Now don't forget 8 going to 120 15 times. So I'm going to get n minus 4 is equal to 15. So n will be equal to 15 plus 4. N is equal to 19. Now you see how simple it is. The more you solve more questions, the more you become used to it. So I encourage you to solve more questions. Solve more questions. Now I'm going to solve another question under this, yes, because of your vacation assignment. Make sure you share the video. Just this one is just to help SHS students, yes. Make sure you share the video. Share to your friends in different schools so that possible one tutorial will be beneficial to everybody. See you in the next video. Bye.